Welcome to Casa Serendipity, located in the small town of Quimixto, just south of Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Why don't you come and treat yourself to a day surrounded by nature and disconnected from your everyday life? As life starts to move faster and faster, we need to make a choice to move faster with it or to step off every now and then and marvel at the wonders around us, to take in new sights and sounds, and remember just how beautiful life can be. Along the way is where we find the unexpected, take in the scenery, and often where we have the most fun. Quimixto and Casa Serendipity are an easy getaway, nearby, yet feel far away. It's a place to unplug and spend quality time with family and friends. Exhale as you arrive to the remote village surrounded by mountains and jungle. Quimixto takes you back in time to a time when things were more simple. Stroll through the rustic cobblestone streets and take in the charm that surrounds you. Cross the wood plank bridge over the river to arrive at your final destination, Casa Serendipity. A beachfront location where the staff greet you, ready to make it a special day for your group. There is enough space to gather many friends and family, host a memorable event, or hold a day retreat, where the staff will prepare a day customized to your needs and desires. When was the last time you tried something for the first time? Many activities are available, including one of our favorites provided by our friends at Paddle Zone. They provide fantastic paddleboard lessons and excursions. Challenge yourself. Enjoy the stillness. Celebrate your achievement. Our staff can help arrange different experiences for your group day. Casa Serendipity has a wonderful private space available for group gatherings and day retreats. This tranquil venue lends itself to yoga, meditation, private retreat days, and other healing and wellness activities. It's a place where a child's imagination and nature come together. Experience a local favorite, Adelita's Pies, made in Quimixto. Enjoy the scrumptious and delicious flavors of locally grown ingredients, including coconuts and bananas. Casa Serendipity is a wonderful option for holding private events. Our staff will help you coordinate everything. Use the pergola on the beach to host an outdoor luncheon. Hold a bridal shower, birthday party, or other celebratory event. Plan a day with family and friends. We have a staff of private cooks who will make favorite local dishes, or bring your own chef. Enjoy your guests and leave the work up to us. Awaken your senses to the taste of Mexico. Enjoy a delicious combination of authentic dishes and local favorites. Come celebrate the day, whatever it is, with family and friends. It's a great place to gather. One of everyone's favorite activities is riding horses up to the mountain waterfall. The horses will pick you up on the beach in front of Casa Serendipity and take you up through the mountain gorge as it opens up to the cascading waterfall. Play in the water and swim in the basin below. As your day draws to a close, you will feel like you were gone for more than a day. Casa Serendipity, a day getaway renews and refreshes. Memories of this day will linger long after the day has ended.